Hi, welcome to Cloud Institution YouTube channel, the best software training institute. So today we are going to discuss what is Azure. So what is storage file share? Azure File Share is a cloud-based file storage service that allow you to create shared folders accessible by SMB or NFS protocol. It enable multiple VMs or users to read and write files simultaneously. Azure File Shares supported lift and shift application backups and seamless integration with on-premises system. So basically, when you're talking about the file share means the main purpose of using a file share means to upload the files and folders. Okay, so if you're going to upload files and folders means and automatically a backup, that is automatically a recovery service what will be done by the provider itself. Okay, so I think you already know how to create a storage account. Okay, so let's move on to storage account. That means let's move on to demo section. Okay, so that you'll get a more clarification and everything. Okay, so already I've created a storage account. Okay, so that storage account I've given a random name and everything. So inside the storage account, you can see file share right here, right? So when you click file share, you can see right now I don't have any file share here. Okay, so I just want to create a new file share to upload the files and folders. So we'll click towards the file share. So when you click a file share, you can see name option, right? So I'll give Cloud Institution File Share as a name. Okay, and access tier is like transaction optimization. Okay, and you can see next is backup. So if you want to take a backup, so already a backup is taken by phone by the provider itself. So you don't want to do anything. So we'll click towards the review plus create and create. So after clicking review plus create and create, it will create a new file share. So after deploying that file share, you will be uploading the files and folders inside the file share. Okay. So right now it's you can see successfully create storage file share. Right now the backup deployment is in process. Okay. So yeah, they're taking a backup. So that means a recovery service vault has been taking up. Okay. So right now what we'll do is you can see upload option, right? So we'll click upload and what are the files you want? Or for example, if you want to upload one folder, so we'll click towards the browser for file and we'll upload one folder. Okay, so that is template and I'll click OK. So you can see template and parameters, right? So I'll drag this template and upload it here. Okay. Then you can see upload. So it will be uploaded. Okay. To see whether it's uploaded or not, what you have to do is you can see browser, right? So when you click browser, you can see templates and parameters has been uploaded. And if you want to connect, okay, imagine if you want to connect this particular template and parameters files to any other web server, means any other Windows server or Linux means there is an option called connect option. Okay. So inside this connect option, you can see Windows is there, Linux is there, Mac OS is there. Okay. So we have to copy the script. Okay. So when you copy the script and what you have to do is when you open a PowerShell, inside that PowerShell, you can host this file and inside that website. For example, I just want to host this file share. I just want to host this file share inside the Windows server. Okay. So what will happen is that I have to copy this script and I have to open PowerShell script, that is administrator page, and I have to host it. So when I host it there inside the Windows server, this file will be created inside this. Okay, so basically a file share means that hosting, that means to create a files or folders. Okay, so if you like our channel, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And for more information or more contacts, please contact Cloud Institution. Thank you.